Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and you are watching Code with Anand. So in the previous video we talked about theoretical part of the relationship in Salesforce, or in this video we are going to talk about the practical part of the how to create relationship in Salesforce, or either lookup relationship or a master detail relationship. So before moving that, I want to say that you all guys are here watching the video, but you are not sharing this video or not like or subscribing or commenting this video. So please keep subscribing and sharing these videos. If you are here the first time, so please subscribe the channel, and let us continue that the how to create a lookup and master detail relationship in Salesforce. So this is the our org. So we know there are three kinds of relationship when in terms of lookup relationship when we want to create that. There are three cases. First case is that the a, a standard object to a standard object to a standard object. Oh, I will write that object as a OBC. And second scenario is to create through with the S obj to custom object, and the third case is custom object to custom object. So there are three ways we can create lookup relationship in Salesforce. First one is customer object, standard object to a standard object. Second is standard object to custom object, and third one is custom object to custom objects. So let us see that first we are going to create a lookup relationship on a standard object with the standard object. For that we are going to create a we are going to create relationship on the contact object with the account object. For that, first we have to go to the setup and then object manager, and then select on which object we are going to create the relationship. So for contact object we are going to create the relationship. So search for contact here, search for contact, and you will find contact here. Just click on here, and similar like we are going to create relationship. So first we have to click on under contact section, we have to click on field and relationship section. After clicking that, you will find here a lot of fields and relationship already created by default by the Salesforce. So we are going to create that the new lookup relationship. For that, click on new, and you will find one screen where it asks you to the which kind of data type you should use. So at this time we are creating relationship, so for that we need to select lookup relationship. After selecting that, just click on next, and it will ask you to the on which object to related to you want to create that. So I am creating lookup relationship on contact object in the reference of account object. So for select here account, and then click next. After clicking next, it asks you to choose the field label which is all shown on that object when we are going to fill the data. So for that I am choosing field label as choose account. Yeah, and just click on here, it automatically take field name as a by the using underscore and CCC. And here you can see that the lookup relationship field is not mandatory in the terms of when you want to fill the data, but in case of master detail relationship it is mandatory. So just take care of this, and click here next. And after clicking next, it will ask you some field level security. So I want to visible this for all sections, and just click on next here, and it will show you that the name also on which page layout it's going to so we are going to see that. So just click here next, and on contact level we are going to see that by the field name choose account, and just save it here. Okay, so our lookup relationship on contact object with the standard in case of a standard object to a standard object is created. For seeing that, just you have to click on app launcher icon and just launch the sales app. So just find sales app here, or you can find launch on anyone. So just I'm going to see that in sales app. So launch sales app, then we have to go to the contact object. So here contact is showing, just click on here contact, and then just click on new. So after clicking on new, there are few fields are mandatory. You have to put there, like last name is mandatory. So you have to fill their last name. And I am going to select that. And there is one field will be created like a choose account. I don't know why it is not showing here, because it will take few minutes time here. See, choose account is which we created right now in the reference of account. So here just click on here, and you will find all the account which is created there in the account section is available here. You can select anyone, like Wipro 2 account you want to select, that just select here. So our account is selected. So through this way we can create the relationship and lookup relationship. There is some mandatory field we have to fill there. So what is mandatory is choose name. Yeah, name is selected. Salutation like Mr. Or is there any mandatory field? No, there is no any mandatory field. So that's why that was reduce send mail execution of after insert caused by the. Okay, we have to enter our email also. So maybe there are some formula is rules, validation rule is applied here. That's why it's taking. So I'm going to put my email, although it's not mandatory, but before I applied some validation rule. That's why it's asking. So just click and save here. So this records look like existing record. Make sure that you check any potentials duplicate record before you duplicate. So the record, there is one contact Anand Jha Wipro by this name is created. So I'm just going to select other object like not Wipro 2. I'm going to select Almamet, and then going to give different email, so that is not going to create any problem. So it's fine, and just save it here, and our record is created here. Just see that. So this way we can create lookup relationships. Similar we have to create also in the like in terms of standard to standard object, custom to custom object, and if you want to create custom to custom object, like in our fields, in our application like NK, our application AKJ school. So in AKJ school there are two custom object like a student and the teacher, student one and teacher one. If you want to create custom lookup relationship on a student one object, then you have to do the same process which we already done. So just we have to go to the setup and select object manager. In object manager we have to select the student one object. For that just click on here and search in the find box, quick find box, student one, and then we have to click on here, and again we have to choose field and relationship section and click on new. In that case we are going to create a lookup relationship on custom to custom object. So lookup relationship, then click next. In which object related we are going to create that for teacher one. So just select teacher one from here, teacher one, and just click on next, and then it asks you to provide the label. So I am going to give label, choose teacher, and it's automatically selected here. And you know that required field I already mentioned, explained that. So just click on next. Then you have to select some field level security, and then click on next, and just next, and save it. So our lookup relationship on a student object is created. To see that, just click on new, and click on here. You will get one field that choose teacher fields here. See that, choose teacher, like on student name should be Aman, student email aman123 at the rate. I'm just putting domain email .com. And for teacher you will find all the teachers which already created there. It is the lookup relationship. And I will also show you that if you delete lookup relationship, in lookup relationship, if you delete the parent object, there is no effect on the child object. But in the case of master detail relationship, if you delete the master object, in that case child object is also deleted, child data is also deleted. So this is all about the lookup relationship. Now in similar way we can create the master detail relationship also. For master detail relationship, it's look like a bit similar. So for that we have to just note here, we just have to click on custom. In a similar way we can do all the things. Just click on setup, and then we will go to the object manager. For that object manager, and we are going to create a master detail relationship on a custom object. I think on a standard object we are not going to do that. So on a custom object, find student one, and just click on here, click on field relationship section, and you can do that by clicking on new. And on similar way, just click on master detail relationship. You will know all about that after reading from here. You can do that, and just click on next. And the same process, it asks you for which object you want to create the master detail relationship. So I am creating for teacher one. All process are similar. Just there are some difference is that the in master detail relationship, child object inherit all the sharing and security setting of the parent object, and there are few limitations also, but all the process of creating a relationship is similar. So I'm going to name it here for now just teacher 1 2 3. I'm just going to put a random name here. And you know that here allowed parenting is not unchecked here. It's optional here. If you want to allow parenting, just click on here. If you don't want, just leave it as it is, and click on next. And already field level security is selected, so just click on next. We don't have to do anything. Click next and just save that. So after saving that, you will find one another. You cannot create master detail on existing custom object if record is already exist. Okay, you know that in the case when already there are some record is existed, in that case we can't create master detail relationship. This is the new thing I forget to mention, that you first need to create the lookup relationship, and then you can convert that into the master detail. Like here already data record is mentioned here, so we can't create a master detail relationship on existing custom object. So for that we have to delete all the object. In that case we can create master detail relationship, or there are two ways to create master detail relationship. First we have to delete the data, or we can first create the lookup relationship and then convert the lookup relationship to the master detail relationship. But right now I want to create through after deleting all the data. So just click on here, and or you can delete from here also. Just click on delete from here. So I am going to delete all the data, and then we can create master detail relationship on student object. So I am deleting all the data. Deleted all the data, and now we have to do all the process again. So there is no data available, I think. Yeah, all data is deleted. So I am going to do all the data. Click here to return to the previous page. So we are on the previous page returning, and just click on new, and then select the data type, which is master detail relationship right now, because we are going to create the relationship. And just click on next. On remember that we can't create a relation master detail relationship if there is already data is existed. In that case first we have to create the lookup relationship and then convert to the master detail relationship. But right now for your understanding, I deleted all the data, and then I am going to create the master detail relationship. So just click on next, and yeah, teacher 1 2, and then select here and just click on next, click on next, and click on next, and click on save. So our master detail relationship is created, teacher 1 2. So this is the important thing you have to remember that. So for showing that, I just want to show you. Just click on new, and you will find one teacher one-to-one, it's taking time little bit, because right now we just created, so sometimes it takes time. So for that you don't worry, just refresh it and you will find that field. So just creating new, yeah, see that teacher one two is available here. So just put your name, anything, aman at the rate gmail.com. Put any gmail under, if not necessary, and it is not mandatory. Let's see that I, in the lookup case, I also didn't check that box, so required field, and in the master detail I also didn't check that box. But lookup relationship is not mandatory, but mdr is definitely required field. It's mandatory, you have to select that, you can't keep that empty. For that we have to selecting here teacher from here and just saving that. So this is all about the lookup relationship and master detail relationship, and there is much more concept is available there. For that we have to need to search from here, like master and lookup relationship in Salesforce. You just type here and you will get a lot of content available there, a lot of content, like Salesforce object relationship, master detail relationship, differences between lookup and master detail relationship. It is the developer .salesforce.com. I will going to put that link in the description box. You can check from there also. There are a lot of this. This is kind of discussion forum where you will get all kind of question. If you have any doubt, you just put it here, and the experts are going to give you the answer of your question. So I'm going to put the link of that, and you will find there all your problems and solution here. So this is all about in this video, master detail relationship and lookup relationship. In the next video I'm going to talk about the junction. What is junction object, how to create that, in which case we have to create the junction object. So for the next video, stay tuned, and just remember that keep subscribe the video if you are new on my channel. So subscribe the channel and keep sharing this video if you find preparing for the PD1 exam, because this video is going to be very important. Thank you everyone. Thank you.